What's up, everybody? My name is Logan Delgado, aka Goody Beats. I lost a total of 70 pounds utilizing the ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting, and I've now dedicated my life to help you, yes you, never forget that it's never too late to become what you might have been. I'm also a proud father, a proud husband. I have 2 little girls that just absolutely take up so much of my time, but I still find time and make it a priority to focus on my health and what I eat and how I train and how I exercise, and I know you can too. So I'm gonna do a 2-week series on how to jumpstart your keto journey, low carb journey, or whatever journey you wanna do. In this series, I'm gonna be giving you tips and advice on things that I've learned over my 8 years of following a low carb ketogenic diet and intermittent fasting. On each episode, we're really gonna focus on one particular topic, and then every episode after that will help you along your ketogenic journey. So everybody sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode 1. All right. So before we dive into topic 1 on how to get back on your keto journey, let me just show you what I mean. So I got 3 whole eggs and I got 5 ounces of ground beef, well, shredded beef actually. And that is gonna be my meal number 1. Keeping it simple, guys. That's one of the main tips when you're getting back on your journey, is just keep it simple. I've seen so many people overcomplicate their ketogenic journey. They wanna make some like really elegant recipes, which is fine, I get it. But for me, it's all about time, man. I gotta get in the kitchen and get out. I got so many things I gotta do with my business, with my kids, my family, that I just wanna get in the kitchen, cook my food, and move on to the next thing. And I know the majority of you are the same way. So when it comes to getting back on your ketogenic journey, your weight loss journey, you need to go to your pantry, okay? Go to your pantry, open it up. Whatever you see in your pantry that may trip you up, that's just too much temptation for you, that you know at night you're gonna pass by that pantry and you're gonna just sneak a little cookie, sneak a little chip, sneak a little this, you need to get rid of it. It's time to commit, okay? Commit to your weight loss journey. Commit to your ketogenic journey. Get that stuff out of your pantry and throw it away. I'm gonna repeat myself. Throw it away. You need to cleanse your pantry. You need to cleanse your refrigerator. Whatever you have in there that may trip you up, get rid of it, because it is time to get back on track. Commit to my weight loss journey. I am not going to allow anything to trip me up. I'm not going to allow anything to tempt me late at night when I want a snack or whatever that may be. I'm getting rid of it because it's time to get back on track. So when it comes to getting back on your ketogenic journey, I think the most important thing to do is to write out a plan. Structure a plan. What and how are you gonna go about doing that? For me, if I wanna get back on track, back on my weight loss journey, back on my ketogenic journey, I'm gonna write out a plan. What am I gonna do? Am I gonna incorporate intermittent fasting? Am I not? How many meals am I gonna eat a day? How many times a week am I gonna work out? Am I gonna do cardio? Am I gonna do post-workout cardio? So many of these things matter whether you're gonna have a successful ketogenic journey or not. So write down a plan. For me, I am gonna write down a plan that every single morning I am gonna get up and I'm gonna do some type of cardio. After that, I'm gonna wait until about 11 o'clock, have my first meal of the day. At 1 o'clock, have my second meal. 3 o'clock, have my pre-workout meal. And then boom, at the gym at 5 o'clock, have my post-workout meal at 7, and then my last meal at 9. I know exactly what I'm gonna eat. My meals are very, very simple. I write my meals down. I know exactly how many carbs, how many fat, how much protein are in those meals, and they're very simple and very easy meals, which I will go over in future episodes of this getting back to your weight loss journey. So I want you to do something immediately after this video is over. Get a piece of paper, write down your plan. How and what are you gonna do to stay on track of your new ketogenic weight loss journey? Okay, so before we close out this episode 1, again, back to your journey, I wanna take some questions. So please let me know in the comments below, what questions do you have? How are you gonna get back on track? What are you gonna do to get back on track? And what are your questions so I can answer them in the next episode? I look forward to hearing your questions. And if there's anybody you think needs to see this video, please share this video on Facebook, like this video, make sure you comment. It's definitely gonna help the algorithm gods, help my channel get discovered. And I would really truly appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing, man? Hit that subscribe button. As always, guys, we'll see you on episode 2. Peace.